This is the AOOU Kit L-shaped corner desk. Obviously, it goes really well in a corner. It also works well as just a computer desk or table. This took me about an hour to put together. I think if you had help and maybe some power tools, you could probably put it together in about 30 minutes, but you might want to put aside at least an hour to put it together. The wood on top is made of MDF or medium density fiberboard. It's quite heavy, it's about 40 pounds when completely assembled. It's very sturdy, which is really nice. You can put heavy things on it if you need to. Personally, I think it looks very slick. I like the nice black color. I like that the end of it has a notch so you can feed cords down if you need to. It works really well for a single laptop or just anywhere in your house where it'd be nice to place things in a corner. Overall, I'm very happy with this desk. I will post a link below so you can find it on Amazon.